We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say.
All around amazing customer service. I've never been so pleased with another auto repair shop. Extremely accommodating, offering a shuttle service for when you have to drop off your car. Fast service, and they also make sure to call and update you frequently on the status of your vehicle. And their labor costs are very well priced. I'm highly satisfied with Luper Automotive and will use them for all of my vehicle needs. Would 100% recommend them.
So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.